We had at Ruby's Inn, which has 370 hotel rooms, $42,000 in discounts and refunds just because of hot water problems. The other two hotels was another $8,000 in discounts and refunds just on hot water issue problems. Ruby's Inn Incorporated as a whole has had many challenges with hot water. Our industry boasts a lot of tours, and these bus tours come at an exact time. They all shower at the same time, and so when these groups come in, we're running out of hot water all of the time. We didn't have a redundancy system, so if one boiler went down, then it was 45 minutes to an hour for it to recover, which we had a lot of complaints.
They were looking at replacing aging equipment. They had repair bills and other domestic hot water issues that the Rinnai team was able to bring solutions for with higher efficiency equipment.
You don't see a project come along too often to be this size. And the unique part of it was we were blending new equipment in with old equipment.
What Ruby's needed for this application, because they are in a remote area, was a total turnkey solution and a manufacturer that could offer that turnkey solution. Everything from designing and engineering the system to installing the system to after installation service is a manufacturer that was willing to commit to be here and help them through the entire process.
We did a complete analysis of what the gallon per minute flow in each building was so we could size it correctly. Then we provided the customer with an ROI on the investment that they would be making for this replacement. The ROI calculation came back on this particular project at around $6,000 per month.
When they came in, they were very approachable and easy to work with and answered our questions and understood our problems.
The one thing that makes, I think, Rinnai different from anybody else, our competitors, especially in the marketplace, is that we see the project from beginning to the end. So everything coming in from the engineering department when we design it, going through customer support, going through tech support, supporting the customer after the fact, is important, is key, and I think that's what sets us apart from our competitors.
Rinnai has been a great partner to work with on this project, as well as others that I have worked with them on, and look forward to working with them on the next projects.
We've not had one problem since then. Not one complaint, not one hot water problem, not one fluctuating hot-cold problem. And I have confidence that when this project is done, I feel that we will eliminate $50,000 a year of refunds and rebates that we have to give out. Satisfied customers as they leave here, being able to have a nice warm shower and be able to hit the road and continue their vacation and be happy.